and today I will tell you how to create this engraving operation on a 3D surface. So here we have a modeling software annex. So this is my part and curve. So first of all I want to export it. So I'm going to show you how to export the model. So export this model in IGES and here select the curve, surface, solid, whatever you want. In PowerMill you can select, so I just want curve and solid, right, and click. Right, now start PowerMill and import the geometry. Now close this and see, here we have this model and still the curve is not here. So that curve is a text actually. It is not the curve, it is a text. That's why it is not here. So now I want to create a text right now. So come to this pattern, create a pattern, and from this pattern now edit this curve, and this time I'm going to use this text around a circle, and the text is 5, the size of 5 or 6, and here is a center, right. So it will start from here to here, right. This is the text, this is circle. Now the text, right. So I have placed a text around this circle. Now finish it, and if you want to increase the size, here is the size and some more parameter are here, and accept this. Here is my text. Now I need a blank, so this blank automatically generate. See, this block will come. If you want to create just after the finishing operation, so we need one more blank, and that will be a triangular file. So first I will show you this one, then I will tell you how to create this triangular file and how to import, right. So click it, hide this, and the tool I'm going to use this previous tool, okay, and this is also no. So click here, and I want to define one more tool, hide the second one. Now I'm going to use the strategy, this pattern finishing, right. This pattern finish will work over the surface using the pattern. So pattern curve is this one, automatically it will come, and the tool I have already specified, blank is already specified, right, and calculate it. See this, it is not properly at the center, so that's why it is going outside. Let me show you simulation, click it, and right, if you will check this under this view mill, this will come and it is not suitable. For second option, we can again come to this, and here this time I want to export this file in STL. This is a triangular file, and say this on desktop. This is the desktop. STL is a file, and select this file. Okay, here come to this block. I want this triangles file. Click here, and triangles files STL, and this is a STL file. Draw and accept. Again use the same thing, otherwise go to this toolpath, add it using setting option, add it, and block. I want triangles file, browse STL. This is the STL file. Right, now calculate. Still it is block tool. So the thickness is 0, and again calculate. Right, this will come, and it is going outside a little bit. The projection is coming over this vertical faces, and if we are using this 0 thickness, then see the result. It is trying to cut, but it is not cutting anything because of 0. Now come to home, right click, settings. So this time I am just defining my stock as negative 0.25 or negative 0.5, and come to this rapid. Make this, and from the links calculate this, close, and now check this using the simulation. Here it is colliding because this one, right, because of this area. Close. Hope you understand this one, and see here it is colliding. So I have told you, just because of this area it is colliding, reduce the size of the circle or make it a little bit smaller, then only it will come over this surface. And here I have used the circle example. You can use a horizontal text or a vertical text, or you can import any external geometry to cut this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.